Lingportal Online School presents
Difference between it and this. Sometimes, seemingly small and well-known words can be more difficult to understand than English tenses. This is because their usage relies heavily on context and suitable nuances. No wonder that many English learners still don't know the difference in usage between it and this. Let's break down the difference between it and this by looking at some examples. It or this. Both of them are pronouns. Both of them refer to a thing. Which word to use? It. It is a personal pronoun used to refer to a person, thing, animal, situation, etc. We use it to refer to a thing or sometimes a person. For example, my computer has crashed again. Can you have a look at it? Where is my book? You left it on the sofa. We also use it in situations involving identifying a person. When you knock at the door and other people don't see you, you can say, "It's me, Alex." When you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello, who is it?" Here is the summary. We use it in order to classify or identify a thing or person. Please note, it also can be used as empty subject and can be used in context like this. It is raining. It seems like I forgot my key. This. Let's move to this. This is a demonstrative pronoun used for a person, object, idea, etc. to show which one is referred to. It can also function as determiner. Examples include, "This is my wife, Anna. What is inside this?" In these sentences, this serves as a pronoun. This juice smells strange. Try to repeat this exercise regularly. In these sentences, this serves as a determiner. Have you noticed? We use this to specify, point, or introduce a person or thing. So you see, it's easy. Let's take a look at the first example again. The correct answer is this. What a range of jumpers. This is the one I want. In this context, we're using this to identify a specific jumper from the range of jumpers. Options. Now, time to test your understanding with a short quiz. I have a new phone. It is very advanced. We use it to classify the phone as very advanced. This car is mine. We use this as a determiner to specify a car among others. There's a bird outside. It is singing. We use it to identify an action of a bird. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. Great job, everyone! Understanding the difference between it and this will help you speak and write more clearly in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.